If you are over 60, the clutter in your home might quietly be costing you thousands of dollars and years of peace of mind. Every extra box, and used gadget, and stuffed closet can mean higher fall risk, wasted space, and money spent on things you do not even use. Many people only realize this after a fall, a move, or an emergency forces them to clear it all in a panic. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which 37 types of clutter to remove first to make your home safer, easier to clean, and less stressful. You will see how some viewers have freed up entire rooms and saved real money in less than 30 days by doing this the smart way, not the hard way. Most people over 60 are not dealing with a little mess, they are dealing with 20, 30, even 40 years of things stacked in closets, garages, and spare rooms. You might have a guest room that has not seen a guest in 5 years because it is filled with boxes, or a kitchen drawer that barely opens from old gadgets. For many seniors, a single fall caused by a stack of magazines or a loose box on the floor can mean hospital bills in the thousands and months of recovery. Piles on the stairs, crowded hallways, and overstuffed closets can make it harder to move, harder to clean, and harder for family or emergency workers to help you quickly. If you want real results in the next 24 to 48 hours, start with the spaces you walk through every single day, not the deep storage. Clearing 10 to 15 items from your entryway, hallway, and beside your bed can immediately lower trip hazards and make your home feel calmer the moment you wake up. Here's where decluttering becomes powerful. Focus on categories that multiply, like extra mugs, duplicate kitchen tools, old towels, worn shoes, expired products, and stacks of paper. If you remove only 2 or 3 things from each of these 37 small categories, you can clear dozens of items in a weekend without feeling overwhelmed. Take a quick check right now. How many of these are in your home? A chair covered in clothes, a table you cannot see the top of, a drawer that will not close, or a box you have not opened in over a year. If you counted at least 2 of those, your clutter might already be stealing hours of your time every month. Many viewers over 65 have written in saying that after clearing just 1 closet and 1 drawer, they filled 3 to 5 bags with items they did not miss at all. One woman realized she had been paying for a storage unit for 8 years, keeping furniture she never used. When she finally sold and donated it, she stopped paying the monthly fee and freed up hundreds of dollars a year. Most people skip this and regret it later, tackling mixed boxes of papers and sentimental items only when they are forced to move or after a health scare. If your important documents, photos, and keepsakes are buried under random clutter, your family might spend days or weeks searching if something happens to you. There are a few common mistakes that make decluttering after 60 much harder than it needs to be. Starting with the attic or basement first usually leads to exhaustion and quitting, while starting with small daily use areas gives you quick wins and energy. Right after this video, choose 1 hallway, 1 surface, or 1 drawer and commit to removing just 10 items from it today, not tomorrow, today. Use 3 spots, 1 for trash, 1 for donate or give away, and 1 for things you truly use and love, and be honest with yourself about what has not been touched in a year.